update on the farm. We got a couple bunnies. These guys are about 3 weeks old now. Hey guys. There we go. See? A little shy, a little camera shy still. Now we got over here bunnies. These guys are about a week and a half old now. Nice mama. And that's it. You got a couple for sale here. Felmish Giant, New Zealand cross. And same with these guys. These are a mix of male and female. This guy's not for sale. He's our shepherd. But the other guys are. If you're interested, just reach out. These are breeding does. 3 of them here are for sale. $50 each. Good mamas.